So welcome to 10th session of G4 OFCM 2022. I welcome G4 participants as well as people who are watching in YouTube. Okay. So let's start our class fresh today, right? So being a 10th session, I hope it will be faster today, okay, with response, but understanding is the main thing, okay, right? So let's see what is Cartesian product, okay? I think we have to do it little, yeah, in a very good pace. Let's see, okay. So given sets X and Y are sets, okay. Now I define what is X cross Y, okay. What is X cross Y? X cross Y is set of ordered pairs X comma Y with X in X and Y in Y. Okay, X and Y are any two sets. X cross Y is the collection of two tuples. Okay, right. Ordered pair X comma Y such that X in X and Y in Y. Right. So have you understood the definition? Quick. Very good. Okay. Very good. Let's do very basic example. Let me take A as 1, 2 and B as just 3. Okay. I'm clearing all the feedback. The question is, how many elements are there in A cross B? Look at the question carefully. Find out what are all the elements in A cross B. But you have to answer me, how many elements are there in A cross B? Good. But it's an easy question. It's easy, no? Look at the definition. What does it say? From A pick an element, B pick an element, form an ordered tuple. Okay. So what is the first ordered tuple I will form? Think. Okay. Is there any other thing to pick and form? Think. No, that's how you have to answer. Okay. Now let me ask. Let's go to R5. R5, Sophia.
1, 3, 2, 3.
2, 3. Therefore, how many elements are there in A cross B?
2 elements.
2 elements. How should I write? Ordered pair. So what is A cross B? A cross B consists of 2 elements. Ordered pair 1, 3.
1, 3. Ordered pair
2,
3.
Okay. All of you know how to plot also, right? Right? How to plot these 2 points? All of you know, right? So mark x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Mark 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, say. Here also 1, 2, 3, say. Right. Now where do I plot 1, 3? I'll do it for you for the first thing. Okay. This is 1, 3. The second point 2, 3 is here. Right? So first one, I'll look in x-axis, second on the y-axis. Okay, right. Right. Now, let's look at n cross n. Okay. Okay. Now, give me an element in n cross n. I'm clearing the feedback. Quick. Should be quick. I'm asking very simple questions so that we'll go fast. Yeah. R6 Rahul.
X cross y such order pair of x comma y such that x belongs to n and y belongs to n.
Okay. I'm not asking the definition. I want you to give one element, single element.
1 comma
Just 1 comma 2. Okay. Very good. So Angel and Christy, give me an element. R6 Angel and Christy. Angel and Christy, I'm waiting for you. Okay. Sultana, R6 Sultana.
The order pair 2, 3.
Very good. Okay. Fine. Right. Now let's draw and let's mark it as a picture. Okay. Right. So here I will mark 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3. X-axis, Y-axis points. Okay. Now, which point I should take first? Quick. R6 Radhika. Start with the point.
Sir, if we take 1, 2, 1 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis.
Okay, fine. Then you missed something, no? That's fine. Should I start here or somewhere, some other place? Did we miss a point? 1, 2. This is ordered pair 1, 2. Excellent. Did we miss something? Radhika?
Sir.
See, I want to draw you a picture. So you have started with 1, 2. Did you miss some point? Okay. Safia, R5 Safia.
So 1 comma 1.
1, 1 is there. Whether 1, 1 belongs to n cross n?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, because 1 is a natural number, okay. Condition. First coordinate should be the first side. Second coordinate should be the second side. Right? So, how about this point? Say 1 by 2, 1. Should I mark or not? Whether 1 by 2, 1, does it belong to n? Do not answer. I am asking for all. Does it belong to n cross n? Is my question. Quick. If it belongs, say yes. If it does not belong, say no. Excellent. Very good. Why? Because on the first element, of course, second coordinate belongs, but the first one do not belong. Okay. How about 1, 1 by 2? Does it belong to n cross n? Again, I am clearing all the feedback. Very good. Okay. So therefore, this is also no. This is also no. So what are all the points which should come? So it will go like this, right? 1, 3, then mark 1, 4. Let's only do something. Okay. Here, then 2, 1. Of course, it goes. Okay, here also 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, anything in between won't come. Correct? Then next one is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, this is how I draw. Okay, right. Very good. Okay. Now, can you think of Z cross n? I'll clear all the feedback. As a picture, quick, that it comes as a picture to you. Very good. Okay, let me ask questions. Before that, I'll draw pictures. Okay. Now, yeah. So here I have to plot 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at this Z is that. So therefore, I should plot this also. -1, -2. I hope all of you would have understood. Right? Then cross M. Okay. Of course, here 1, 2, 3. Okay. It goes on. Okay. Yeah. Now the question is, start with some point. Let's complete the picture. R for Maharasi. Quick.
Sir, -1, 1.
Okay. -1, 1. That's fine. Give me some more points also. How about -1, 0? Whether this point on the x-axis will come?
No, sir.
This point is not there, right? This won't come. This won't come. Correct? Because this is ordered per -1, 0. Okay, 0 does not belong to natural number. So this won't come. Very good. Okay, give me few more points. -1, 1, then
-1, 2.
hmm.
-1, 3.
Okay, fine. Let's go to someone else. Yeah. R7 Harini.
Sir,
Give me some more points.
-2, 1.
Maybe I'll mark all the points with yellow in color. Okay. Right. You say correct.
-2, 1. -2, 2, -2, 3.
Okay, fine. I am completing.
-3, 1.
Right. Okay. Can you give me some more points also? Quick.
1/2, 1.
Whether it will come? Whether 1/2, 1 belongs to Z cross N? Okay, all of you answer. I'm clearing all your feedback. Quick. For these questions, you should respond very quickly. And we want participation, all your participation. Just think about the meaning. If 1/2, 1 belongs to Z cross N, then what happens? 1/2 belongs to Z and 1 belongs to N. Okay. Abhirami, do you see somebody who said no? Now do you see the problem? Whether 1/2 is an integer? No. Therefore, this point won't come. Very good. Most of you have answered that. Very good. Yeah, some of you should pick. Let's go to R1. Sanjana, quick.
1, 1.
Very good. But okay, 1, 1.
1, 2. 1, 3.
Okay.
2, 1.
Like that
2,
it goes on and on. But we'll draw only few. Yeah, very good. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3.
3.
But did you miss something?
0, 1.
Will it come or not? Whether now the question is whether 0, 1 does it belong to Z cross N? First we'll ask that question. Say yes if it belongs. All of you should answer that. Very good. Because 0 is an integer. So therefore it will come. Very good. Most of you. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Okay. Right. Very good. Now let's look at N cross R. Okay, I'm clearing all your feedback. Quick, we should do it fast. Now we are familiar, right? Somewhat familiar, we should do it fast. So let me draw the picture. I am looking for your responses, quick responses. I'll give you 10 more seconds. Yeah, Jayashree, R1 Jayashree.
1,0.
Very good. But can you say something much general rather than saying a point? I'll draw one. Then you say what are all the other points will come. Quick. 1,0. Then
1,1/2.
Okay. Then how about
1,3/4.
How about 1, x? Does
Yes,
it belong to n cross r?
Yes, sir.
For what values of x does it belong to n cross r? All of you should answer this question, not only Jayashree. This question is for all. Please think. For what values of x does 1, x belongs to n cross r? Quick. Very good. Jayashree, can you continue?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
X belongs to set of all real numbers.
Very good. So therefore, what should I draw now? What does that say in terms of picture? One
X
is
is equal.
so I can take any x. How does point 1, x look like? This is 1, 0, right? This point itself is actually 1, 0. So 1, any x will look like what? Can you give a geometrical name?
X is equal to 1.
Yeah, the line x equal. Don't simply give an equation, no, vertical line. In fact, that's the best thing. Vertical line parallel to y-axis passing through 1, 0. Yeah, that's equation of line. Line x equal to 1. That's what she meant, but actually it's a vertical line. Okay. Yeah, very good. I'll go and ask someone else from R9. Kilandeshwari, can you complete the picture? In fact, I should have drawn it in yellow. Why not now? I'll do it. But can you complete the picture quick? What is the next thing I should consider and say?
2, x belongs to
Very good. So I should draw what? 2 I have drawn. Then draw
a line.
Which line?
Y is equal to 1. Sorry.
Small x equal to 2. Vertical line. You simply say vertical line parallel to y-axis. Right?
Yes.
Passing through 2, That's fine. Okay. Then next line is what?
Vertical line x equal to 3.
Right. Whether anything in between that, suppose if I draw some line like this, whether it will come? This is, I'll mark this as 3. Okay. Whether anything will come? Whether this red line will come in my picture?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it does not belongs to n.
Namely the first coordinate is going to be a non-integer, or not natural. Yeah, not a positive natural number. So therefore, this won't come. Very good. Right? Red is, therefore, I have drawn in red color. So all of us know. Right? Very good. So that's how I have to complete the picture. So what you do in discussion hour is draw some sets and mark like this. Okay. Okay. Suppose if I simply mark this, okay, let me draw in yellow in color like this. Okay. This is my, okay, let's say 5. Okay. Just one line. What is this? Can you write it in terms of A cross B? All of you think. This is question for all. My yellow line is a set. Write it in the form A cross B. Quick. Yeah, why it's taking this time, this much of time? Only 25. See, if you don't know how to answer, I'll give you a hint. Okay. See, only the points on yellow line are going to come now. Mark a point. Okay. Mark a point. It's ordered per A comma B. No. What can I say about A? What can I say about B? That's what you have to look. This small a is going to come from the set capital A. Therefore, I will write the set capital A. And small b is going to come from set capital B. I will write that capital B. That's all. Okay. Now, it's very clear. I can say something about A. Okay, small a. Therefore, I have to write this in as A cross B. A and B are sets. Okay, think carefully. Yeah. So let's go to somebody from R2. Nandini Shri. Nandini Shri, quick. You have put yes, now it's removed. Why? Nandini Shri, can you answer? Okay, let's ask Anusia.
Sir, natural numbers into real numbers.
Very good. What is A? I could not.
A is set of all natural numbers.
Natural numbers? No. Do you want to see? I've drawn only yellow line. Okay. Let me ask someone else.
So 5. So 5.
But 5 is only a number. No, I can't write A as 5. Correct it. A is not a bus. Okay. Put it in a bus. So say set 5, singleton 5. Yeah, complete it. Singleton 5.
Into B is set of all real numbers.
Very good. Singleton 5 cross R. Very
Cross
good.
R.
Right. A is set 5, singleton 5, and B is what? R. A consists only 5. Is that 5? Okay. Very good. So now we come to know, okay, how vertical lines are looking. So how does a vertical line, what is the form of a vertical line? Vertical line will be in the form singleton C cross R. So given fixed C, okay, fixed C in R, then singleton C cross R is, see, this simply I can change it to be C, some C, right? Yeah. So singleton C cross R will be a vertical line. Okay. Now the question is, all of you know, right? So what is the form of horizontal line? Quick. I have asked easy question, why? Okay, let's go to R6. Soumya.
Sir. R cross singleton C.
Very good. That's it. R cross singleton C. Okay. Soumya, can you say what is y-axis? Y-axis in the form A cross B. Soumya, quick. Y-axis is the form A cross B. Already you have answered.
R cross singleton 5.
That is horizontal line, right? I have asked for y-axis. Just I want to check whether you have understood. Okay. Now, can you think correctly until now? Y-axis. What is y-axis? All of you know, right?
R.
Y-axis. Say it in the form A cross B form. So again, see, if you don't know what you have to do is you pick ordered pair A comma B, that's all. If it is in Y-axis, what can I say about A? What can I say about B? That's what you should ask. What can I say about A? Quick answer. Okay, let me ask Kaushik. Kaushik, quick.
Yes, sir.
A
is a singleton, sir.
Singleton what? Kaushik,
Singleton zero.
Singleton
zero.
Zero, cross R. Finish it fast, no. Right? Singleton, zero, cross R. Already we have done this. Y-axis, quick. Kaushik, you have to answer. What is Y-axis? You have answered, right? Singleton, zero, cross. Y-axis is what? This is what? Y-axis. Okay. What is X-axis? The question is to all of you. Ragul, just wait. How many of you are ready? Quick. Yeah. Okay. Let's ask somebody from 8. Saranya? Yeah.
R cross singleton 0.
Very good. Fantastic. Okay. Now I am drawing a set. You again you tell. Okay. Let me draw a set. Okay. Okay. Let me use. Those all the points are there. Okay. Right. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Yeah. I'm clearing all your feedback. Quick. Only the yellow portions I want. Okay. Of course, this rectangle is filled actually. Okay. See, again, I'm saying, reiterating, if you don't know what this set is, put a point inside this set. Okay. Let me put a point here in color. Call it as ordered pair A comma B. Find the condition on A and find the condition on B. So where does A should vary from? Or I'll simply say put ordered pair X comma Y, because already A, B is there here. Okay. So where do X? So to which set X should belong to? Now I know X varies in the X-axis. So where does X belongs to? That should be my set A. Where does Y belong to? It should be my set B. Okay. See X can vary only in this, right? Horizontally. So X varies from where to where? It should vary from A to B. So have you identified the set capital A now? Okay. Yeah, R9 Gubendran, quick.
Sir, closed interval A comma B cross C comma D. Closed interval C comma D.
Very good. B is C cross D. Excellent. Right? Okay. Discussion our question is, go back. During the discussion hour, try to write down first all the 4 quadrants. Okay. 4 quadrants separately. Therefore, 4 exercises for you. 4 quadrants with axis, of course, without axis, 1 with axis and 1 without axis. You frame your own. Okay. Say first, the x-axis is included, but y-axis is not included. Okay. Axis excluded case also. Okay, mixed, I'll simply write mixed cases. Okay, right. Now, okay, let's ask a question. I'll clear all the feedback. Okay, now let's take the set A cross B. Okay. Suppose if I give 2 points, say P comma Q, let's give 2 points, P comma Q in A cross B and R comma S in A cross B. I don't know what the set A, B is, but I'm giving 2 points. What are all the 2 points? Ordered per P comma Q in A cross B, ordered per R comma S in A cross B. Okay. Can you come up with a new point in A cross B? That's my question. Give me a third point. Give me a third point in A cross B. Very good. But still time is there. I want all of you should, yeah, respond. Somebody from R1. Shivakumar.
Sir, ordered per P comma S.
No, you are not understood my question. See, I said 2 points, right? P comma Q in A cross B, R comma S in A cross B. I want a third point out of these 2 points. I don't know any information about A cross B. Okay, it's something like saying I have 1 comma 2 in, okay, let's put like this. 1 comma 2 in A cross B, okay, 75 comma, okay, say minus 32 in A cross B. Okay. Shivakumar, can you now give another point in A cross B? Forget about this question, answer this question. Shivakumar? Okay. Sanjana?
40, 50.
I don't know. How do you say all that? I have given only 2. I don't know anything about A. I don't know anything about B. I have not said A should be set of integers. It could be anything. It could be square. It could be anything. A could be anything. What all I know is only these 2 information. 1 comma 2 belongs to, and 75 comma minus 32 belongs to A cross B. Can you get a third point out of this? So think slowly. No, it's not that A and B, you can't fix A and B. A and B are not known.
Root 2, 3.
How do you say that? I don't know. How do you say that? A is not set of real numbers. See, what all I know in A cross B is only this geometric thing. A could be anything, no? See, ordered per 1 comma 2. Only this point. Okay, let me draw in yellow color. 1 comma 2. Okay, somewhere I should draw, right? 75 comma minus 30. Assume this. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, only these 2 points are known. A, I don't know. B also, I don't know. It could be a big square. It could be a circle. It could be any set. Root 2 may not be there. I don't know. I doubt. Okay, it could be like this. Then root 2 will go off, right? Something. It's 2. If I cut it here, root 2 should come before. So root 2 may not be there. You understand? My set could be this square, entire square. Okay. So I don't know that. Yeah. Okay. Let's ask someone else. No, but look at the meaning. What does 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B says? So you have to think like that. 1, 2 belongs to A cross B means 1 belongs to the set A and 2 belongs to the set B. Okay, likewise, 75, minus 32 belongs to A cross B means 75 belongs to the set A and minus 32 belongs to the set B. Okay, that's all information I have. Now can I get a third point? Okay, I'm clearing the feedback, all the feedback. Yeah, respond now quickly. What is this cross mark means? Give me a third point. You can't, you are saying you can't give. Or if you have not understood the question, that's fine. Who has said? I have written that. Give me a third point in A class. At present, now PQ I am avoiding. Okay, let's do with the numbers. What's happening? Very good. In R2, why none of you are ready? Anusya, Yojana, Nandini Shri, Sharon, Dhanraj Prasanna. What is the difficulty for you? 1, 2 belongs to, therefore 1 belongs to A, right? 2 belongs to B. Again here, 75 belongs to A, 32 belongs to B. See, this is the information I am having. Now can I get...
Sir.
No, don't answer now. Don't answer. I am asking for R2 participants.
No, sir, it's mentor, Xavier.
Oh, fine. What is the problem?
Sir, I think when Shivakumar answered, he said P, S ordered pair.
Oh, I see. I heard something else. Yeah, that's fine. I couldn't hear properly. Maybe at that time you should have told, but let them answer this. See, I am looking for this R2 group. Why none of you have not answered? Yeah, Anusya, come up with the answer.
Sir, ordered pair of 1, minus 32.
Very good. That's fine. Excellent. Okay, ordered pair 1, minus 32 belongs to A cross. Okay, that's how I get a third point. Can you get another point? Anusya, quick.
Sir, ordered pair of 75, 2.
Very good. Excellent.
Belongs to A class B.
So now let's look at this question. But I heard something. Maybe somebody should answer. So whom did I ask that question?
Shivakumar.
Shivakumar, right? Shivakumar, can you come up with your answer now? See, at the time itself, I was calling you. Maybe some network issue, you said.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You said, now you
Ordered pair P, S.
Very good. So can you get me one more point in A cross B?
Ordered pair R, Q.
Very good. Fine. Okay. Now, what we'll do is let's take this set. Okay. Now my set is, okay. Let's take this set C. What is my C? C is set of all points x, y in R2 such that y equal to x. So it's this line. Okay. What's my set? My set is y equal to x line. Okay. It doesn't look like that, right? But anyway, let's draw that line passing through origin. Okay. Okay. Y equal to x. This is the set, right? C. Okay. Now, the question is, see, so many sets. The x-axis, we wrote it in the form A cross B. Y-axis, we wrote it in the form A cross B. Now, the question is, whether the set C can be written in the form A cross B. So to put it more clearly, what we have to say is whether there exists sets AB subset of R such that C can be written in the form A cross B. Okay. Can I do that? See, you know the answer, okay? The thing is, I have to ask it very clear, precisely. See, what is my question? C is this set. Does there exist? The question is, does there exist A comma B subset of R such that C equal to A cross B? Okay. If you can find A and B, put yes. Otherwise, put no. Have you understood the question? I can find A, B such that C is precisely equal to A cross B. Yeah. Let's ask someone. All right, Saranya.
Sir, 1, 1 ordered pair 1,
You see, you are not understood the ordered pair 1, 1 is an element, no? This is there in the set. What you want to say, you are giving an element in the set, right? Yeah, that's correct. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, lot of elements are there in the set. That's fine. 2, 2, x, x, t, t lies in the set. Okay, now that's not my question. My question is something very different. See, already we wrote x-axis. Okay, see, look at this set. Have we not written x-axis? X-axis is what? Okay, let me draw it. Okay, this is the x-axis. Okay, this entire x-axis. What is x-axis? Let's write. Suppose x-axis, I want to call it as say S. Okay, what is x-axis? Let us write this as a set. How do I write it as a set? Set of all x, y in R2. With what condition? X, y is going to be 0, right? Okay. Now, this set S, this is this set S. Okay. This can be written in the form A cross B. We have written it as R cross singleton 0. So I can find A is set of real numbers, and B is what? Singleton 0, such that my S equal to A cross B. Do you understand? Similarly, I have written y-axis. Okay. And we did for other sets, right? Rectangle, closed A, B cross closed A. Those things we have done it. We are able to, some subset of this plane R2 I gave, you are able to write it as A cross B. Now, I'm giving you some other set. The question is, can you find sets A, B, okay, which are subsets of R, and C equal to A cross B? Is the question clear to you? Look at this. Why here you are able to write it? Same thing. You take a point inside this set ordered per A comma B. I was able to describe my set clearly. Okay, where A belongs to set of all real numbers. Is there therefore there is no condition on B. Is there a condition on B? Yes. B has to be equal to 0. Therefore, B came from singleton 0, right? Therefore, I could find the sets. A is, there is no condition. Therefore, A was set of real numbers for this. Okay. And B is just singleton 0. But here, can I do this? Go back to this example and see. Okay. You take any point in this set, where does it vary? Look at any point, it is of the form t, t. Where this t varies, this t comes from x-axis. It varies through all real numbers. How about y-axis? That also, right? Okay, therefore t varies on entire R. This also varies on entire R. So it has to be, A has to be full of R, B has to be full of R. But the R cross R is not this set. So I have some problem, right? Whether all of you can understand this? So what is the answer? There is a problem. Okay. Here, if I take this t varies over entire real number, this t also varies over entire real number. But therefore, A has to be R, B has to be R. Therefore, R cross R. I am saying this set C or line, whatever. This line C is entire R2. That's not okay. Correct, right? It is not equal to R2. There are a lot of points which are not there in this set. Outside this line, they don't, okay, belong to this. So what is, therefore, what is the answer? Have you understood? Intuitively, what we are trying to tell is some reasoning. Okay, it is difficult to find. There is a problem. You can't find. Okay, so that does not exist. Okay, A comma B. Answer no. That means what? That is, I can't find AB subsets of R such that C equal to A cross B. Of course, I got to prove it, but that's the intuitive reason. Have you understood the reason? If you have understood the reason, say yes, otherwise say no. Very good. Yeah, Rahul, what was your problem?
Sir, I couldn't understand it, sir.
Have you understood the statement first? Have you understood the situation of x-axis?
Yes, sir.
Y-axis? Here you are able to find, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple vertical line. Yes, we have written in the form R cross singleton 0. Okay. Here I am saying, still I have not proved, but there is a problem. Why? What are all the points in the line? T comma T, right? T varies in R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, therefore, the first quadrant has to vary throughout R. Second quadrant also has to vary throughout R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, A has to be entire R. B has to be entire R, right? Therefore, A cross B is entire R2. But I want this line should be equal to R2. How is it possible? Okay, R2 is all points in the plane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The line is not equal to outside this line. There are so many points. Yes or no? Right? Yeah. So you ask questions. Still, you may not be able to. Okay. Yeah. Go through this.
It's
If you
clear
are
now.
convinced, fine. But go through this during discussion. Okay. Now let's try to prove. Okay. Proof is easy. Give me just 2 points in this line. Already we have done the proof actually. Okay. Rahul, can you do that? Give me 2 points in this line. Okay. I have marked it as C, but anyway, give me 2 points in the C. How do I proceed? I am going to proceed by contradiction. Suppose there exists A comma B subsets of R such that C equal to A cross B. Okay. So now C is this line. Okay. Okay. Whatever. The set C is the line Y equal to X. Okay. Give me 2 points in the line. Rahul, can you do that?
X
Give
comma
me very good. 2 particular points in the line. Yeah. One is 1 comma 1. Other one is
2 comma 2 and
very good. That's enough. That's enough. 2 comma 2 in C. Okay. So 1 comma 1 belongs to C and 2 comma 2 belongs to C. Therefore, but C equal to A cross B. Therefore, what is that we can say? Both 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. Yes?
Yes, sir.
But can you give me third point now in A cross B?
No, sir.
1 comma 1 belongs to A cross B. 2 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. Just now we said it. Give me a third point in A cross B.
1 comma 2.
Exactly. Just now we answered P comma Q, R comma X, right? So 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. But look at again A cross B equal to C. Therefore, what is that we are telling? 1 comma, this is equal to C. Therefore, 1 comma 2 belongs to that line. That's a contradiction, no? Whether 1 comma 2 belongs to that line?
No,
If
sir.
1 comma 2 belongs to the line, then first coordinate has to be equal to the second coordinate. But here, they are not equal. When the points belong to C, XY belong to C, only if first coordinate equal to second coordinate. Now here,
I'd like to know why 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B.
Sir?
Can somebody explain why the point 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B?
Yeah. And sir, just we answered it.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, such things they always forget. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have that kind of proof they should go through again in their mind.
Yeah.
You will see how many will struggle now.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. So I'm clearing the feedback. How many of you this step? 1 comma 1 belongs to 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. Now the question is, why does it belong? 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. How many of you can say? Quick. Okay. See, still 25. Okay.
Half percent.
Half. Yeah.
Now I'll ask one of them.
Yeah. R9 Shalini.
Yes, sir. So 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. So another point we are forming from that set. So 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross.
Why? Why? You have to say the reason.
A belongs to 1 and B belongs to 2.
A belongs to 1?
And 2 belongs to B.
Shalini, come again. You said something.
In
Yeah.
the first order pair, 1 belongs to A.
Yeah. 1 belongs to A. Fine.
And 1 belongs to B.
Right.
In the second order pair, 2 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B.
Fine.
So we can write another as 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B.
Why? Why?
Yeah. Shalini?
No, all of you know from your intuition.
By Cartesian
you are
product.
saying such thing, but give a reason.
By Cartesian product, we can write like that.
What do you mean by Cartesian product? It's all the same. Mere paas mom hai. To say 1 comma 2 belong to A cross B, what I have to make sure? Do I know 1 belongs to A?
1 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B.
That you had already seen. You see, that's the reason. See, learn to say such things, okay, carefully. It's like wishful thinking, you know. You just want to believe.
Okay, sir.
Don't believe. Okay, prove it.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So ask how many of them understood now?
Yes.
So we said the numbers 1 and 2 belong to A as well as 1 and 2 belong to B. Therefore, I can take some element from A and some element from B. So what I'm choosing? 1 I'm choosing from A and 2 I'm choosing from B. Therefore, the ordered pair 1 comma 2 belong to A cross B. How many of you understand? Quick. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So therefore 1 comma 2 belongs to 1 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. Therefore ordered pair 1 comma 2 belongs to A cross B. But what is A cross B? A cross B is the line. Okay, Y equal to X. See, whatever set we can. So therefore, we have 1, 2 belongs to C. But by definition of C, what is the definition of C? It's the line y equal to x. 1, 2 does not belong to C by, okay, by definition, right? By definition. Therefore, we have a problem. Suppose there exists A, B, we have a contradiction. On one hand, we have 1, 2 in C. But by definition of C, 1, 2 is not in C. Okay, right. I'm clearing the feedback. I'm giving you 20 seconds. Okay. Have you understood the proof? What is the proof? We have started with some set, namely the line y equal to x. I have named it as C. Okay. The set C is just line y equal to x. What is that we have proved? You understand the statement. Okay. And then the details of the proof. Okay, very good. So do it during discussion hour, right? Extend your understanding during discussion hour. Yeah, right? Okay, one more thing. Let's do it quickly. Now let's take circle. Okay, I'll write it as, let's say, okay, C1. What is C1 for me? Circle, set of points. Okay, just I don't have to write all this. Just you say I'm drawing unit circle. Okay. So this is my set. So what is this set? The set of points lying on the circle, not the disk. Okay, right. So whether this, I'll call it as C1. Circle with radius 1. Okay, the radius is 1. Can this set C1, can I write it in the form A cross B? I'm clearing all your feedback. Have you understood the question? If you have not understood the question, you can ask. If you say you can write it in the form A cross B, you are going to put yes. If no, then put no. See, now hereafter you got an idea, right? You should try to see. If you want, you can write down what is this circle. All of you know, right? Circle is set of points x, y in R2 such that x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, that's your circle. See. Very good. I'll ask one. Just you say the idea, that's enough. Okay, which group should I go? R7? Kalishwari?
Sir,
What is your answer? Quick. Kalishwari?
so my set A is equal to set of -1, comma 0.
You are saying you can write it in the form A cross B?
Not sure, sir, but I can guess a set, sir.
Okay. Okay. You just tell what is your okay. You have found out it varies from -1 to 1. Here also it varies from -1 to 1. But therefore, if I take it will be entire square, no, including all the points. But we want only the boundary, right, of the circle. That is going to be full square.
Yes, sir.
So that's the geometric thought you should have. Okay, therefore, now tell me what is the answer. Can you write in the form A cross B?
No, sir.
So then form, take 2 points. That's how we answered no. Right? I will ask someone who are ready with the answer. Who will be ready? Let's ask Udaya Chandrika, R3. Quick. Udaya Chandrika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why did you say no? See, same thing. Can you find 2 points on the circle? Quick.
-1,
-1, 1. Does it lie on the circle? It is here. It's not on the circle. Find 2 points on the circle. Okay, same. Suppose if it is written in the form A cross B. Okay, yeah, you can mute it. Just create some sound. Yeah. Matish, all right, Matish.
Sir, 0,1 and 1,0.
Excellent. So you are saying I can't write. Again, same proof you have to follow. Suppose C1 is written in the form A cross B. What are the 2 points in C1? Matish says 1, 0 and 0, 1. These are all 2 points in C1. Therefore, it has to be in A cross. See here, you are assuming I am able to find wrongly. I am able to find a proof by contradiction. Suppose there exists a set of R such that C1 equal to A cross B. Then you are capturing 2 points. Same, exactly same thing. 1, 0 and 0, 1 belongs to C1. Yeah. Matish, continue.
So now we take the ordered per 0, 0. It will not be in the circle, sir. So we can prove that it cannot be right in the
Go slow. Now, what all we know is 0, 1 and 1, 0 belongs to C1. Therefore, it belongs to A cross B. Okay. Therefore, 0, 0 belongs to A cross B. Again, A cross B is C1. Therefore, it belongs to C1. But it cannot be in C1. Right? Yes, Matish?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I think do this, maybe draw more other things. In fact, you draw some picture and try to say only few sets lines, okay, vertical lines, horizontal lines, squares, rectangles can be written in the form A cross B. Other, no. There are a lot and lots of, you draw any picture, okay, you will not be able to write it in the form A cross B. Okay. So discussion hour, do ellipse, lot of other pictures, create your pictures. Yeah, ellipse or create new pictures and say cannot be written. Pictures, okay, and say it's whether it is of the form A cross B. Say whether it is of the form A cross B. Right. Very good. Okay. Now, yeah, that's fine. I'm clearing all your feedback. That's fine. Let's go to, yeah, functions. Okay, right. So whenever I have a function, f from, say, x to y. Okay, I hope all of you know the name of x, right? So how many of you know what is the name of x? Capital X? Yeah, these are all quick questions. So nothing, just if you know, it's okay. If you don't know also, doesn't matter. Okay, just I want to see. Yeah, R7 Abhirami? Domain, very good. Domain of the function. So what is y?
Codomain.
Codomain, very good. Right. So there are 2 sets and function is what? It's a rule. So how many of you can say what a function is? So how many of you can define what a function is? Yeah, quick, just your idea of understanding. Yeah, Aditi. All right, Aditi.
Yes, sir. Sir, each element in domain will have only one image in codomain.
Very good. For each element in the domain, so each element is assigned, okay, or mapped to an element of codomain. Only one element. That means it is mapped to a unique element of the codomain. So what is it? For every, there is a quantifier. Look at this. For every x in X, there are two conditions now. Okay, I'll simply write this. There exists. People call, okay, I'll write it using notation. Unique, I will not write using notation. Unique, for unique, the notation is, some people put this exclamatory mark. There exists unique y in Y, such that y is x, okay, f maps x to y. I'll simply write, say it like this. F maps x to y. Okay. 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 And when f maps x to y, we usually denote, right? We denote it like y equal to f. Okay. But let's now break and understand. Okay. So what does this say? This says there are two conditions. For each x should be mapped, and one single x. See, usually we draw a Venn diagram and understand, right? So what does it say? Let's understand like this itself. Okay. Something goes on and on. I don't know about this. But there could be a lot of elements. Okay. Here what happens? It says every element, some fellow should be there. It should be mapped somewhere. Okay. So if I leave somebody, suppose if I leave somebody and map, is it a function? Quick. Let's clear the feedback. So can I have a rule like this in the picture? Is it a function? Whatever is defined in the picture, something like this. It's not so, right? Because this, there is no image for this. Very good. Yeah. So most of you have answered. So this is not a function. So therefore that's a condition. For each x, I should have a y. So let's break and write. So f from x to y is a function if two conditions have to be satisfied. What is the first condition? Okay, let's write this also. Here, for each x in X, what is the first condition? There exists y in Y such that f maps x to y. Okay. The second condition is about uniqueness. Okay. So what is uniqueness? Okay, let's draw the picture and understand. Okay. Can I have a function like this? Again, I'm clearing all your feedback. Okay. Other points are going to other points. Okay. Don't worry about other points. But whatever I'm drawing, is it a function? This is what I would have learned. Okay. Right. Still one of you is saying yes. Let's ask. Who is that? Yeah, that's good. But who is saying yes? Oh, now he has changed. Okay, good. Why? This is single X. Have you understood? Single X or single A. But I have two different images. I can't have this. Single X cannot be mapped to two different elements. Because when I draw separately, it means it's two different elements. What does this say? So already X is there. Suppose given y1 and y2, this is uniqueness part. Given y1 and y2 in Y, such that f maps x to y1 and f maps x to y2, then y1 equal to y2. it should happen. Y1 and Y2 should be same. If X is mapped to two elements, then they have to be, it can't be like this. They have to be one and same. This is not allowed. Leaving one element in the codomain is also not allowed. Okay, so there are two ingredients of the definition of the function. Have you understood this part?
Leaving in domain is not allowed, sir. Balakumar here.
Yeah. Yeah, you cannot leave an element in the domain, right? That we have said for each X, there exists Y, such that F maps X to Y, right? Balakumar, you want to ask something?
Sir, that's fine.
Fine,
sir.
So the question is, have you understood the definition? Nothing other than that. Whether have you understood two parts? Still, if you have doubt, please call us. Okay. 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 So when I have a function, very good. When I have a function, the domain, codomain, and the rule, all of them are important. Okay. Let's now define equality. So suppose if I have functions, okay, say f from x1 to y1, g from x to y2. Now I'm going to say when two functions are equal, f equal to g, if first one element in the codomain. Yeah. So I think I could hear some voice, right? Okay. So can some of you say what should be the condition first? First condition, can I have two different domains, two different codomains? Yeah, Krishnamurthy is saying something. Krishnamurthy, you want to say something?
Sir, yes, sir. Must
Yeah.
be x1 equal to x2, sir.
Very good. Domain
The set x1 equal to x2.
and codomain also should be equal. Y1 equal to Y2. Then only I can talk of equality of function. Okay. And the rules also should be same. Okay. Then for all x1 comma x2 in x1, what should happen? F of x should be, yeah, I should simply say for all x. For all x in x1, f of x should be equal to g. And there are three conditions. Domain, codomain, they should be equal and the value should be same. Okay, let me put conditions and ask example. Have you understood? Okay, I'll clear the feedback. Have you understood the definition of equality of functions? First, domain should match, then codomain should match. Otherwise, I'm going to, if one of these, see, there are three conditions. If one of them fails, I'm not going to say equal. Okay. Third one, for each x in the domain, f of x and g of x should agree. F of x should be equal to g of x. Okay, very good. Let's ask questions. Okay, let's go to this. Let me define f from n to n and g from n to e. What is e for me? Set of even natural numbers. Okay, my f of n is 2n, g of n is also 2n. Okay. Now say whether f equal to g or not. If f equal to g, say yes. If f not equal to g, say no. Quick.
Leaving in domain is not allowed, sir.
E is set of even numbers. Okay. Bala, we could hear you. You are saying something? Bala?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I could hear your feeble voice. Okay. Only 13 responses. Why? See, apply the equality definition. No? See, we have studied the definition, right? Go by definition and answer. See, the rule is same. F of n is 2n. F of 1 goes to 2. F of 2 goes to 4. Something like this. Okay. Here also rule is same. 1 goes to 2. 2 goes to 4. 3 goes to 6. Okay. Rules are same. Therefore, F of n and G of n are agreed. But whether F equal to G, but why only 21 responses? Yeah, quick. Okay, R5 Shweta.
They are not equal, sir.
Why?
Because they have different codomain.
Excellent. That's fantastic. That's what you have to do. Okay. Even though the rules are same, but they have different codomains. Okay. N is different from E. Therefore, answer is F not equal to G. Because we have 3 conditions to be satisfied. Domain should be equal, codomain should be equal. Also, F and G should agree. Okay. One of them has failed, therefore it failed. So we have actually crossed the time. But let me ask one more question to you so that you understand. Okay. Now, therefore, we'll keep the same domain. Both F and G are from my set X is this -1, 1. Say to R. Okay. One function F of X is X square. Okay. The other function F of X is mod X. G of X. Sorry. Now, say is F equal to G? I'm clearing all your feedback. So we have overshooted the time, therefore you should be quick and fast. Haripriya, why do you say they are equal?
Sir, if we put f of x, x square equal to -1, then it will be 1. For g of x, modulus of -1, it will be 1. For 1, in f of x, it will be also 1. So it will be equal, sir.
Very good. That's how we have to answer. Okay. See, most of you who are saying no are seeing different rules, right? X square is different, mod X is different. These two are different functions. No, that's where I have cheated you, right? This is cheating. Okay. Why? Because you have to go see and look at the definition, like how Haripriya said. Now, domains, for both of them, we should have same domain, we should have same codomain. That I have done it. Now, what is that I have to check? For each X in the domain. Therefore, there are only 2 elements. Now, I should ask whether F of -1 equal to G of -1. That's true, right? What is F of -1? 1. What is G of -1? 1. Yes. So, and again, I should check one more element. There are only 2 elements. I should check for other element. Whether F of 1 equal to G of 1, that is also there. So, therefore, for each X in the domain, F of X equal to G of X. Therefore, F and G are equal. Okay, I'm clearing all the feedback. Just within 10 seconds, you say, have you understood? Yes. The answer is yes. Yes, F equal to G. We'll stop with this.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So again, today you have a good amount of things to be done in discussion room. As Divya pointed out last class, do not spend your, okay, think like it's a golden hour, okay. Utilize to the maximum extent. Ask questions. If you don't understand, that's fine. You ask one of you. They will be able to explain. You ask mentors. You ask your fellow people. Okay, how to do it? They will say. They will help you. Right? Yeah, that's it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sharing. I will put the
YouTube participants. Yeah, thank you. We'll meet.